Store heated sparge water in a keg to A, lessen the need for a second vessel, and B, heat sanitize said keg. Adjuncts like oats, sugar, and rice are typically cheaper by pound than malt and are often important parts of different styles. As an added bonus, they're sustenance in a shit-hit-the-fan scenario. Buying bottle openers is completely unnecessary. The entire world is your bottle opener, whether it's a lighter, a spoon, the edge of a tree stump. Heck, even cars ship with 5 of them as a standard feature. Unless you have a specific reason, shorten your boils to 30 minutes. You'll save on time and gas, and I bet you won't even notice a difference. Dry yeast is amazing, and the variety we have access to is unparalleled in this life. Simpler tends to be better. But if you can taste the 2.4% Vienna in a grist, then, my friend, you are a better and more enlightened brewer than I. Plant a rhizome in our Mother Earth. Don't have a garden? Befriend a gardener, and in September, remind him you exist. Apple juice and kveik are a match made in degenerate heaven. Apple juice is cheap, and kveik, once you find a source, is nearly free. Brewersfriend.com is a wonderful place to store recipes, and is cheaper than a notebook and can be accessed anywhere in the world. A twist-off bazooka screen in your mash tun means that you can use your cooler for whatever non-degenerates use coolers for.